Hello everyone. So student, now we are going to study rest of portion related to male breast tumor or breast cancer. Okay, so let's go. We will start our today's class. So here first thing is breast examination or exams. It is comes under to diagnostic evaluation for the breast tumor. Okay, so here if we think about the breast exam, so basically breast exam is doing in the basically two side. First thing is clinical breast exam, second is breast self exam. It means if we are doing a breast examination in clinical side, if person suffering from breast tumor, that condition, that kind of investigation is comes under to clinical breast exams. Okay, now second thing is breast self exam, means person are doing self breast exam at home. If person is have a feeling any kind of tenderness, and if person have any kind of another discomfort in over the site of breast, that condition, that particular person is doing that this kind of breast self examination. Okay, so it is a breast exam. Now we will see next thing, mammograms means an x-ray of the breast. What it is? It is a x-ray. Which area x-ray? X-ray of the breast. It use a very small amount of radiation, and what we use by the mammogram, we just use a small amount of radiation in over the site of breast tissue. Okay, so it is also one kind of investigation for the breast tumor. And mammogram, it is divided into two sections. First thing is screening and second one is diagnosis. Screening means it is screening called screening mammography, and diagnosis called diagnostic mammogram. Okay students, so it is related to mammogram. It is an important investigation for the breast tumor or breast cancer. Now here it is a mammogram images. If we are doing and if we get the mammogram, so that condition we just receive this kind of images. First thing is normal mammogram, means in this particular first images there is no having any kind of tumor formation, there is no any kind of cancer formation in over the breast tissue. But if we see in the second image, so here benign cyst and benign tumor is occurring in the site of breast tissue. If you are able to see, so here have one arrow mark, and just above the arrow mark there is one white patches we are able to see now. So that particular thing is comes under to benign cyst or benign tumor. Okay, and then next thing is a malignant condition of a breast tumor. So students, if you are see in a third image, if you are able to see third image, so there is definitely clearly visualizing breast size is large, and white patches is also increases. So that particular white patches is one kind of malignant condition of breast tumor. Okay, so it is the image related to mammogram. Now we will see next investigation, MRI. MRI means magnetic resonance imaging. It is one kind of imaging investigation, and by the MRI we just detect the smallest affected site of the body. So use magnets and radio waves by the MRI and cross-sectional images of the body. We just click cross-sectional images by the MRI. MRI scan can take a long time and used if fewer areas of concern found on the mammograms. So basically students, MRI is a one kind of imaging investigation, and by the MRI we just detect the affected myelin site of the body through the MRI. Okay, now biopsy. So biopsy is a very important kind of investigation for any area of tumor formation and any area of cancer formation of the body. And biopsy is done when other tests show that young might have the breast cancer. It confirms if a mass is cancerous or not, and mass is removed and studied. So what we do by biopsy, we just withdraw small sample in the affected site of the body, and then after that particular sample we send to a laboratory and labs for the investigation of that particular sample is a cancerous or not cancerous. Okay, so it is a biopsy study. Here types of breast biopsy. So there is having a different kind of types related to breast biopsy. First thing is fine needle aspiration biopsy, means we just use one fine needle for aspiration of the samples in affected site of the breast. Now core needle biopsy means core kind of needle is we used in duration of the withdraw samples and biopsy procedure. It is called core needle biopsy. Vacuum assisted biopsies means we use vacuum articles and equipment for the for what purpose, for the purpose of taking take out samples. Okay, now the surgical open biopsy means, surgical open biopsy means students we just incision in the particular affected site and then after we take the sample, that kind of surgery comes under to surgical biopsy. Okay, then lymph node biopsy means we take a sample in the area of lymph node. So this kind of biopsies comes under to lymph node biopsy. And why it is necessary? Because we all are know, we already studied about stages of breast cancer. There is a fourth stage of breast cancer have a chance to spreading the surrounding lymphatic system, so that's why lymph node biopsy is also necessary in duration of breast biopsy. Okay, so this kind of biopsies comes under two types of breast biopsy. Now fine needle aspiration biopsy means very fine needle is used extract fluid from the lymph and guided by the ultrasound, and simple but it is not 100% accurate. So fine needle aspiration biopsy is a very common kind of biopsy techniques, and it is not 100% accurate as well as it is performed by the underlining of the ultrasound procedure. Okay, so it is a fine needle aspiration biopsy. So if you are able to see image, so it is image related to fine needle biopsy. Now core needle biopsy, needle is larger than in the fine needle biopsy and removes more truces, clear results. So core needle biopsy, in this condition we use also needle, but that needle is very long as compared to the fine needle biopsy, and this kind of procedure is very clear results exist by the core needle biopsy and remove more tissues by the core needle biopsy as compared to fine needle biopsy. Okay students, so it is related to core needle biopsy. Now we will see next thing, vacuum assisted biopsy. It is also types of biopsies for breast tumor or breast cancer done with the system such as the ATEC, automated tissue excision and collection, and guided by MRI. First the skin is numbed and the small cut incision is made. A hollow probe is put through the cut into the breast tissue and piece of the tissue is sucked out. So what we do in the condition of vacuum assisted biopsy students, so we just proceed one kind of surgery and we just sent out one hollow probe into the affected side of the breast tissue, and then after we take the sample and pieces of the tissue in the surrounding part of the breast. Okay, then further we send that sample to lab and then after investigated. So it is related to vacuum assisted biopsy, and it is also called automated tissue excision and collection. Excision means cut out in the particular site of the body. It is comes under to minor surgery, incision and excision. Okay, and this kind of biopsy perform just guided by MRI. So it is image related to vacuum assisted biopsy. I hope you all are understand by the image. Now the surgical open biopsy, anesthesia is administered, incision is made, part of or whole lump is extracted and the studies. Means it is a very clear kind of biopsy. We just provide anesthesia to the patient for the incision, and then after we cut out the particular site of the breast, and then we get or we take sample in the incision site of the breast. Then further study we will send for the study. So it is image related to surgical open biopsy. I hope you all are able to see in the second and in the first image is related to incision biopsy, and the second one is excision biopsy. Okay, so it is also related to the diagnostic evaluation related for breast tumor. It comes under two biopsies. Now last biopsy is lymph node biopsy. So basically lymph node biopsy is divided into two sections: first removal of fluid and second removal of lymph nodes. So if we are perform lymph node biopsy, that condition firstly we confirm which kind of lymph node biopsy we perform, fluid biopsy or lymph node biopsy. So if we are going to proceed lymph node biopsy, fluid removal of fluid biopsy, that condition we just take needle, and then after we take a sample by the aspiration of needle. In the which condition? In the condition of removal of fluids. Okay. Now the second, removal of lymph node. So we are not able to withdraw sample by the needle. In a condition of removal of lymph node, that condition we perform one small surgery. That surgery name is incision excision surgery. Okay students, so if we are going to proceed lymph node removal surgery, that condition firstly we provide the anesthesia in the particular side of the incision excision, and then after we do incision excision, then further we take the sample that particular open side of the breast part. Okay, so it is related to the lymph node biopsy. So this all are comes under to biopsies type. I hope you all are understand types of biopsy for the breast tumor or breast cancer. So here we are going to stop our today's session and today's class. Then further session related to management about breast cancer or breast tumor, we will see our next class. Okay students, thank you for listening me. I hope